Acceptance and commitment therapy has been proven to be very effective in obesity management. One exercise that I like to use with patients is to just name or notice the thoughts that are going on. So, for example, if we were to name and notice a self-critical thought like, I'm a failure and I'll never be able to do this, right? So one exercise that we use is to just write that thought down. So I'm a failure and I'll never be able to do this. And then on the second line, write down, I am having the thought that, and then ... So I am a failure and I'll never be able to do this. And then on the third line, you can write, I am noticing that I am having the thought that I'm a failure and I'll never be able to do this. And with this exercise, they start to realize that, you know what, my thought is actually just a thought. And it allows them to kind of create that space between themselves and their thoughts. And that helps with, this mindfulness and not kind of acting impulsively on those thoughts.